Tapon. Diba unang tapon?
You didn't even count it and you know which one? Okay, next one. Show me. Remember what we talked about?
This one?
Okay. Good job. Next one. Hey, next one.
Umagahin yan.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
No. Count again. Well, how did I teach you how to count? Come on. Count again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So which one's number 7? Okay, next one. The other side. Go. Oops. Okay, go.
Where is 6? Oh, there.
Good job, Kuya.
7, wala din.
Next one.
Hindi 7. Dapat dito 8, 7. Tama.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Sino patulit? Masapo pa.
Good job, Monkey. Next one. Do you need to count the next one? Yay! Good job. You got it perfect.